how you can use the Ria Money Transfer app. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the Ria app on your phone. If you already have an account, tap Login. If not, tap Register to create one. Now, choose your country. The app might do this for you, but if not, just pick it from the list. Then tap Continue. Next, enter your email and create a password. After that, type in your phone number. You'll get a code sent to your phone. Enter that code to verify your number. Once that's done, your account is set up. The app might ask if you want to use Face ID or fingerprint login. You can choose Not Now if you prefer. Now tap Send Money. Pick the country where you want to send money. For example, let's choose the Philippines. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you how much the person will receive in their currency. Then, choose how you want to pay. You can use a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Pick the one that works best for you. After that, select how the money should be received. Options might include bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Let's say we choose mobile wallet. Now you'll see the fees and exchange rate. If everything looks good, tap Continue. The app will ask for some information about you, like your name, date of birth, and address. Fill that in and tap Continue. Next, add the person you're sending money to. Enter their name, country, and city. Then, choose how they will receive the money. For a mobile wallet, you'll need to enter their mobile number linked to that wallet. After entering all the details, you'll see a summary of the transfer. Check to make sure everything is correct. If it is, tap Confirm. The app might ask if you're a politically exposed person. Choose No if that's the case, and tap Continue. Then answer a few more questions, like how you know the person, the source of the funds, and the reason for the transfer. Fill those in and tap Continue. Now it's time to verify your identity. The app will ask to access your camera. You'll need to take a picture of your ID, like a passport or driver's license. Follow the instructions to complete this step. Once your identity is verified, you can go ahead and send the money. To track your transfer, tap Track at the bottom of the app. Enter your PIN or order number to see the status. And that's it. That's how you can use the Ria Money Transfer app.